25 Interesting Ways Small Business Owners Are Using QR Codes, Part 4. In this final part of the 25 Interesting Ways Small Business Owners Are Using QR Codes series, we look at the final 8 ideas. 1. If you've ever lost customers because they arrived at your store after closing hours, then QR codes placed in your storefront window can link them to your products online. Car dealerships can place codes on their vehicles that link late shoppers to a site with full info about the car on sale, while a bridal shop can link to their online bridal dress gallery. Another use is that people can use the QR code to send you an email if they need to get a message to you. 2. Movie theaters can promote new movies by placing QR codes on the movie posters that link to a YouTube trailer about the movie. The same works for music concerts, stand-up comedy, book signings, etc. 3. Restaurants can use QR codes to take advance orders for delivery or store pickup. The QR code would link to their online e-commerce site or link to a live call operator who will take the order on the phone. Restaurants can also utilize their menus, napkins, wrapping, and delivery packaging to advertise even more. 4. Business can help consumers find their way to their store location by linking the QR code to a Google map. For example, a late-night restaurant targeting partygoers can have a QR code with the words, "Scan me to find pizza at 2 a.m. 5. Instead of having your customers cut out coupons out of their newspaper or magazine, why not have them scan a QR code in the newspaper instead and save the coupon in their email? 6. Run an educational institution and want to cut the cost of printing registration or application forms and avoid the manual sorting process? Have your students scan QR codes for different courses and events and sign up online. 7. Travel agents can use QR codes to help online ticket sales at airports. Many times, people miss their flight or want to change travel plans, so strategically placing QR codes can help capture more clients who are already distressed and need an immediate solution. 8. Cake decorators can market themselves to the large number of people who eat their confections at parties and weddings by making edible QR codes as part of their cake decoration. Just hope people scan it before they eat it.